Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Kyle again today. Kyle is autistic and today we've had another package come through the door. This one is a bit smaller than our usual size packages, so we'll just see what's inside it.
Okay.
Do you want to get some scissors?
I think this is packing tape.
Right, shall I help you with it?
Yeah, it's better packing tape.
Right.
Packing tape.
I shall slip it and Kyle can unwrap it.
It's packing tape. Packing tape. It's packing.
Right,
On.
see if we can pull it off.
It's very so sharp. It's very packing tape, that's it.
There. Oh, what we got now? We got a little cardboard box now. This is like past the parcel a little bit. Well, we got a box here, and on the front,
It's the original Dustette.
We
What
have
it says?
a Hoover
What's it say?
oh,
What it says?
says
What?
something kitchen
Yeah.
Devon.
Devon.
So this take him out then.
This one comes from Devon.
This one should be the original Dustette.
That bag.
So there's the bag. As you can see, the bag is in fairly good condition.
Dad, I got original success.
No, that's we got a newspaper. Look, what's the newspaper from? 1966. Look,
That Dustette.
that's the year that England won the World Cup.
What the?
And what else we got in the box? Oh, we got some good stuff as well.
Suctions.
We have a Hoover Dustette instruction manual.
Here's showed what inside.
We have got some
There we go.
confetti. And we've got the Hoover guarantee.
What that is?
And we'll tip this out on the floor.
So about.
We can test it with that. Right, so
Oh, well, and it's on your wall.
yeah, that's on. No, that's off. Yeah, this one here.
It's a vintage.
This one here should be pre-World War II one because the first Dustettes that were made had a rocker switch on them, and then after that they had a slide switch. So this should be. Yes, there's all sorts of good stuff in there.
Nice.
Don't know. So
that Dustette can suck that
if you
up.
hold this, the
Yeah.
camera on, because Dad's got to check the fuse. Always check the fuse.
Put what in the.
If it's got a fitted, a non-standard fitting plug, always check the fuse before you switch it on. Because if there is a problem, the fuse blows, and you've still got your Dustette. Right, there we go. Look.
What kind of shoes? What kind
Cover
of
that.
shoes?
There you go. It's a brown fuse, so that's a 13 amp fuse. I think you'll find, even in the manual we got here.
What it say? What it says?
It doesn't say, but they normally say 3 amp fuse in it. I think there's a bit missing from it.
Yeah. Supposed to have a C-amp shoes. It's got the original cable on it.
Yeah, that's got the original cable. Yeah, the cable's not in bad condition. I think we're gonna have to.
I got non-Dustette, 77 at this.
We're gonna have to shorten the cable off.
I got a non-Dustette, the same.
Right, you gonna hold the camera then?
Yeah.
Right, this.
I got non-Dustette and it's second Dustette, Raoul 2, and it's not got that bag there. It's got the same box and sockets.
The first Dustette's had rocker switches, and I've been after one of these for quite a while.
This is the last Dustette.
Yeah. The first.
Yay!
The first Dustettes were actually made in Canada.
Canada.
So this one's dated from 19. You watching doing these videos?
Yeah. Shooting
This
it.
one here, it's got Perryville, so it was from 1932
I'm going to wait in the hallway.
up to 1939.
I'm going to wait in the hallway when you shine it
Alright,
up.
let's go and spring's still in there. What you doing?
Why I'm not.
Right, you gonna screw the bag on?
It's on. It's on somehow. How?
Right.
That's on.
They are quite hard.
It's all on. Just see it moves.
Right.
Just see. It's all on. This is how you shake the Dustette up. Level 1. Dustette. It's on.
Right.
It's all
Yeah,
on.
let's just stop the camera again because the bag was pretty awkward getting on. They are quite awkward. So what I'll do now, Carl's left the room. That's how much faith he's got in it. Now, I'll switch it on at the machine. Which it is. Put my finger in the ears and we'll see if it goes bang, shall we?
Yeah.
Working. Another one working. There you go. Fine. Gonna suck the dust up with it?
Yeah.
So it's quite good. We'll give it some dust. Hey?
It's getting hot.
Oh, yeah, it's only got a little. Right then, keep going then. Saves me putting some printer food down, this does. The particle's a little bit too big for it, really. What was that? That was something that you sucked up. Keep going.
I'm going to suck out.
Turn it back on.
You do it.
Alright.
Sorry. I'm going to sound it up. Turn it on. Someone does it.
Back to the rescue, stand up. Give the box out a bit, look. There. Well, there you go. That should be a pre-World War II Dustette. This one here come out at the same time as the Hoover 370 and the 375. That's why the Dustettes actually match the uprights. You can get Dustettes that match. You can get a blue one that matches a dirt searcher and things like that. So yeah.
I've got these Dustettes now. I've got a nano one and Raoul. What nano one is?
You got after World War II one.
After Raoul 2 in
Pre-World War II one now. Yeah, so next time we'll see this one, we'll see it all hopefully shiny. Because a lot of the old vacuums, you can polish them up nice. You can make your face.
Dad, here, take it apart.
I don't think it needs taking apart.
Now it's got a screw there and it's just no sun comes
All right.
That's
Are you going to say subscribe now?
It's gone now.
Yeah, we're going to do another video again tomorrow. See you later.